Good morning, all of you. Renon, how are you, Renon? Renon.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, children. So we have discussed multiplication of algebraic function, isn't it? Surja? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to study the multiplication of a monomial by a polynomial. Before that, I will give just as a revision. I will write few questions within seconds. You have to do. Okay. So first one, multiply. Write these questions. Multiply.
ചാച്ചിക്കുട്ടി വണ്ടി എടുക്കാൻ പോവാ എന്ത് ക്ലാസ് ആയിട്ടില്ല ചാച്ചിക്കുട്ടി വണ്ടി എടുക്കാൻ ചാച്ചക്കുട്ടി
This is making noise. Google.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute. Hashir. Okay, do this.
My first question is 2 and 8.
Ma'am, can you present?
Is anyone having any doubt on multiplication? Please tell me, because we are moving to the next parts of multiplication. So first of all, you have to be thorough with the multiplication of a monomial by a monomial. Only after that we can move to the next topics. Okay. So is anyone having doubts? Tell me, I will explain. Over?
Ma'am, the fourth one I did not understand.
First one, did you do the first one? Did you try?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
asked you to go through all the questions. You did, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
And then first one, what was the first one? How can we multiply?
Ma'am, first 4 into 2, 8.
8,
Then 3 plus 2, 5. So
5. X raised to 5. Correct. You're correct. Now, Shreya, you do with third one also. Give the answer for the third one.
Ma'am, negative 16 x square.
Negative 4 into 4 is negative 16. Okay, then
X square, y square.
x square. X here 1, here 1. So x square, then
Y square.
y square. Clear. Okay, Nakul, second one.
Ma'am, ma'am, for the fifth one, it is 6B or BB?
B, 6B.
Okay, ma'am.
B. 6B. Nakul, give the answer for second one. Renon, second one's answer.
Yes, ma'am. Negative
Whose house
24.
is negative
24.
24. 4, negative 4 into 2, negative 8. Negative 8 into 3, negative 24. Very good. Negative 24.
X
cube
Very good. X into x, 3x are there. X cube. Good.
y raised to 4.
Y raised to 4. Y square into y square is y raised to 4. Yes, Elsa, next.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Fourth one.
Ma'am, negative 2a
Yes,
square
negative 2a
B.
square
b raised to 4.
b raised to 4. Yes, Aisha, last one. Aisha. Karthik. Wasim. Ihan.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Karthik, last one.
5a cube b cube c.
Only 5? No other constants?
Oh, ma'am, I didn't see the 2. Wait.
You didn't see what? Do it. Gauri.
Ma'am, 60a cube d square c
60 is 5 into 6, 30. 30 into 2, 60. Yes. 60
cube
a cube. A square and 1a. A cube. Yes.
b square
B square.
c.
C. Yes, correct.
Ma'am, I thought that 6 was a b.
Okay, I have told once. It is not B. Okay. So clear multiplication of a monomial by a monomial. I think is that clear to all? Isn't it, Surja?
Ma'am.
Okay. So next we are moving to multiplication of a polynomial, binomial by a binomial. Okay. Okay. Next part. First question I will explain. After that, I'll give some question. Listen, all of you. Multiply 2x into 4x plus 3. 2x into 4x plus 3. So we will write 2x. If you write in this way, without this sign of multiplication, then also we can call it as 2x into 4x plus 3. This into sign is no need. 2x into, you put a bracket, 4x plus 3. If you wrote without that sign also, we will mean it is 2x into 4x plus 3. Okay. So there is no need of writing this into marker. If you wrote, no problem. Okay. So for multiplying 2x into 4x plus 3, first of all, you have to multiply this 2x with 4x and plus 2x with this 3. Okay. So this will be equal to 2x into 4x plus the same 2x into 3. Okay. But what is 2x into 4x is? 2x into 4x is 8
square.
x square plus 2x into 3 is 6x. 8x square plus 6x. One more we will explain. Minus 3x into x square minus 2y x. X square minus 2yx. So what we will do first? Minus 3x into x square. Minus 3x into x square. Then minus, here also one minus. Okay. So this minus here, minus 3x into 2yx. Clear? There will be two negative signs. This central sign minus, that we wrote already here. Okay. Then minus 3x into 2yx. Okay. So this is equal to, say, that you can say.
Minus 3x cube.
Then minus 3x cube. Then what was the sign then?
Minus 3 square y.
What was the sign?
Ma'am, I didn't understand this one.
I will explain. What is the sign after this minus 3x cube? Think all of you, try. Minus.
Ma'am,
Minus
Plus.
is plus. It become positive because see 2 minus plus. Then 6x square y. Okay, once again I will explain the same question. Minus 3x into x square minus 2yx. Okay, this is equal to first term into x square minus 3x into x square. Is that clear all? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Then after that here we put plus. No, this plus we have put this plus here. Same way this minus sign. Minus. Then minus 3 into 2yx. Minus 3x into 2yx. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is minus 3x cube. After multiplying, minus 3x cube. Here, minus into one more minus. Minus into minus is? Yes, plus. So it become positive. Plus, then multiply. 6x square y. Clear?
Ma'am, do we
I
have to
did-
multiply
I will
with
show.
this
I will
minus?
show the. Okay, children, this question is clear to you. Second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you write 1 and 2.
And
After that,
at the end of this, do we have to multiply the 3x into 2? Why
yes,
is-
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
After putting the sign, correct sign, multiply the terms. Okay, we will do. Don't worry, we will do so many problems. Then it will be clear to you. Write these two questions.
Ma'am, what is the heading?
Multiplication. We have started multiplication of algebraic. If you want, you can write multiplication of a monomial by a polynomial. Multiplication of by a binomial. Both are same. And last day, I asked you to fill up a table in from page number 144. A table in your textbook. Did you complete that, children?
Yes,
All of you?
yes, ma'am.
Anyone is there who's not completed? All completed. Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I only completed half
who's this I?
journal.
Okay. Okay, journal, you do one thing. After this class, complete it and send to my WhatsApp.
Okay.
When is our next period, journal? Next period is 4:55. 4:55. No? So you do one thing before 2 o'clock. You have to send.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All others completed, isn't it?
Ma'am,
Who's that, ma'am?
ma'am, I was in my mother's house.
When did you went mother's house? Who's that? Who said that?
Hishan.
Mother's Hishan? When did you go? Yesterday? Or
No,
you are
Saturday.
staying there? Huh?
Saturday.
Saturday, but that homework is not from Saturday. Before that I have given. So now also you are in your mother's home?
No.
You came back
Yes.
and
Yesterday.
you didn't do that one, isn't it?
4:50.
Okay, no problem. Before today, 2 o'clock, you have to send to my WhatsApp. Clear?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so Hishan and Jonal, okay. Others are all completed, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Can I start? All of you wrote these two?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So third question, one more question we will do. 4y square into minus 2y plus 7. Okay, one more. This one also I will explain. First of all, what we will do? 4y square into minus 2y. 4y square into minus 2y. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then plus, this plus. Then 4y square into 7. 4y square into 7. Then it is equal to, say the answer. Equal
Minus
to?
8
Hmm.
y cube plus 28 y square.
4 sevens are 28 y square.
So, ma'am, don't you have to add these last?
No, we cannot add because one is y cube, other one is y square. We cannot add different powers now. We can only add the like terms, same. Okay. We can see in our addition and subtraction, we have studied no. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. Who asked the doubt?
Ma'am, I thought like last question that it was like.
Okay, only like terms can be added. Okay, if both are x square, we can add. Okay, while doing the addition and subtraction, we are doing addition and subtraction only for the like terms. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Only like terms can be added. Next one is, try this. 2p square minus 2p minus 1. Try.
Ma'am, the answer is 4p cube plus negative 3p square.
So first we will do, let me check. First one, 2p square into minus 2p, isn't it? 2p square into minus 2p minus 2p square into 1. So it is 4p cube minus 2p square. You got the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Now try these 3 questions.
Ma'am, can I say fifth one?
Fifth one,
Yes. 15xy plus 6x.
15xy plus, correct?
6x.
6x, very good. 15xy, that is 3x into 5y plus 3x into 2. 15xy plus 6x. Clear, children, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Do one by one.
Ma'am, sixth one answer is 6x square plus 2x square y.
2. Only 2?
10.
10.
No, sorry, ma'am, 10.
10x square, right?
Yes, 10x square by, yes.
Ma'am, for the seventh question, is it 2AB or ZAB?
2.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it 2a
2AB. 2AB. Answer. Okay, say.
2a cube b minus c minus
Minus
5
5.
c. C, right? That's
C is there, but what's the answer? It is 5C. Answer is 2AQ B minus Surja.
minus 4c
Minus
5
5. Then
c, right?
C only.
Square.
5A square C.
A square C. Surja.
Okay, ma'am. A square.
A square into 2AB minus A square into 5C. No. So it is 2A square B minus 5A square C.
Ma'am, eighth answer is 10p square q minus 4p cube square square
10 P square Q minus
minus 4p cube q square.
very good, very good. This into this. So 10 P square Q minus 4 P cube Q square. P cube Q square.
Would the next one be 3x square plus 6x?
Yes. In this way also we will write 3x into x first. Okay. 3x into x plus 3x into 2. So this is equal to 6x square plus 6x. We will multiply term by term. By the monomial, we will multiply each terms inside the bracket. A monomial and a binomial. See, after 11, it is a monomial into trinomial. So again, multiply each term in the bracket.
In the ninth one, now you got 6x square.
3x square, sorry, 3x square, sorry, 3x square plus 6x, okay?
Is the 10th one 3y cube minus 6y raised to 4?
Yes.
Ma'am, is the last one 12p cube plus 15p square plus 21p by
Yeah.
any chance?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Tenth
Ma'am,
answer is what? 3
ma'am,
y
3
cube.
y
3y cube
minus
minus
6y
6y raised
raised
to
to
4.
4.
Okay.
Ma'am, is
Uh,
the 11th answer 12p p cube
mm,
plus 15p square
mm.
plus 21p?
Yes.
Okay.
This one I'm not very sure, but is the 12th one's answer 2x square y minus 4xy square plus
Mm.
2xy cube?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, is the 13th one 4p square q square minus 6p cube q cube plus
P. Third, second time is wrong.
second one, second
Sec-
term. Okay. Then let's check it. P square, is it?
P square.
Minus
Mm.
6p cube q square.
Ah.
Sorry,
Yes.
ma'am, I read it wrong. Plus 8p square q.
Yes. 12th one's answer is 2.
12th one.
Ma'am,
2x
2x
square
square
y
y
minus
minus 4x y
4xy
square plus
plus
2xy
2xy cube.
2xy cube. Okay. Xy cube, isn't it? 2x.
cube.
Is it easy, isn't it? Multiplication.
Yes.
But don't make mistakes when we are handling with the signs. So I'm giving you some problems for the next period. For the next period, do and come. Okay. Hmm? പേര് ലിസ്റ്റ് വന്ന Afridi, where is he? When did you come, Afridi? Just joined? Agash?
No, ma'am, I came from 12:05.
You got a call, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
From who call you?
Mother.
Huh?
Mother.
Albin?
Present, ma'am.
Amrita?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you share once more screen?
Anna?
Present, ma'am.
Ashwin? Aisha?
Present, ma'am.
Effins? Ihan? Elsa? Emmanuel? Faisan?
Ma'am,
Mansi,
Elsa present.
Present, ma'am.
Gogul?
Present, ma'am.
Gobika? Gobigaram? Gobigaram? Gobika Shankar? Hashir?
ma'am.
Hashir? Hiba? Janal? Karthik?
Present, ma'am.
Ziad? Ishan?
Present, ma'am.
Nakul? Nasrin?
Ma'am, is present.
Okay. Nasrin?
Present, ma'am.
Nihan?
Present, ma'am.
Niva? Noor? Parvati? Noor present? Noor?
Yes, ma'am.
Rinon? Shahan?
Present, ma'am.
Shahan? Sneha? Surja? Shreya?
Present, ma'am.
Sneha present? Sneha? No. All of you copied these questions? Okay,
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
we will, yes.
If the 15th one was left, actually 15th one, we have to write 2x raised to 4y plus 2xy raised to 4 plus 2x square y square.
Yeah,
Is it right?
correct. Yes, correct. Okay, so I think you understood. Huh? Okay, Tika, good. Okay, children. So by this, we are winding up the class. We will continue at 4:55. We will do more problems from this multiplication. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.